time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be focused in on Bitcoin. BITO is the symbol, and we're going to be taking a look at a couple of other ETFs as well that are very similar. But let's take a look at the chart here. So what I see here is the nice formation of a cup and handle pattern. What does that look like? That looks like this. Got the cup there, and then there's the handle there, and we are now breaking through the downtrend line as we speak. So it looks like it went right up to the downtrend line, but it'll be breaking above there momentarily. And we also see a nice little bowl-shaped pattern here on the relative strength. And basically, what are we looking at here? We're looking at an ETF that soared at the end of January from about $15, $16 up to about $30, and more than doubled. And of course, Bitcoin was up strongly during that period. A modest pullback on lower volume, and you can see how the volume was tapered, and nothing anywhere close to what we had back at the end of February and early March when the ETF was going up. So we could actually look at this area as some really good support, right? Let's take a look at this area over here, from here all the way to there as good support. And you can see that the ETF came back down and tested that support, nearly filled the gap. There's lots of gaps in the BITO because of the pricing structure of this ETF, but pretty much you can see the patterns are playing out over here. So we've had a small series of lower highs, and now we've made a series of higher highs and higher lows. Once we break above that $30 level in this BITO, I think it's going to take off probably about the $45 to $50 area. Let's take a look at another ETF similar to BITO, and that would be IBIT. Okay, and again, this is another one that built a nice little bowl-shaped pattern right over here. And now it's breaking out over the recent resistance here. And once it gets above there, once it gets above this $44 level, I think it's got some move up to about 60. So, Bitcoin has started to rally again. It's back above $70,000 per coin. And, all the stocks that have been surrounding around this, the miners and so forth, the clean sparks, the Marathon, and then these ETFs as well too have been super strong and starting to come back strong. Coinbase is also another one. We covered that one a couple of months ago, but this is also another name that you might want to take a look at too. But for now, we like the BITO ETF and some of the other ones as well too. Again, IBIT is one that take a look at. There's another one as well too, which is the FBIT, or FBTC, excuse me, FBTC, which is the Fidelity-wise Origin Bitcoin. Again, all these charts look exactly the same; they're identical. So you can choose which one you want and go for it. That's our chart of the week. It's Bitcoin. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys.